Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find heads-up display, keyless start, power outlet, floor mats. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.